Hello guys, so in previous video we have taken some examples for custom controller in VF page, right? So today we are going to take some more examples for this controller. So if you observe here, this is a class called wages apex. So here rate, hours, days, salary are taken as the input parameters. Okay, so here salary is taken as 0, and then here calculator salary is taken as another method. Okay, here another reset method is taken. So what is the purpose of this class is, so if you click on the calculate salary, then it should calculate the salary, and if you click on the reset, the value should be reset to null. Okay, so that's why the salary is given as a 0 here. So here in this page, controller is taken as the class, and then first page block buttons are taken. Okay, salary, cancel are taken, and then in the another page block section, salary is taken. In the page block section item, we have to enter the rate. In another page block section, we have to enter the hours and then days, and then the total salary will be calculated according to the method included in the apex class. So let's get to this example. Okay, here rate, hours, days and salary are taken. So rate is taken as a decimal data type, hours is taken as the integer, and then for all these 4 parameters, get set methods are included, okay, to be accessible for the VF page connected to this class. Okay, so for calculator salary method, for salary formula is included. So let's take the page for this class. So let's take this page. So let's save this and then preview. So we have taken tab style as lead. Okay, so here re-render attribute is taken as the command button, so to refresh the only particular part of the page. Okay, let's save now, then we'll preview this. So it is taking more time. Okay, so considering this program here, first after the page component, form is included and then page block is included. After that we have to include first buttons. Okay, command buttons 2 are included, and then we have to include the page block section first, and then page block section item. Okay, so here 3 page block section items are taken, and inside the page block section item output label component is taken. In between this we have to enter the rate, like this way will be displayed. Okay, we have to take the input text component also. So output label and input text are to be taken together. So it is displayed now. See here, salary is displayed. So we'll take some values for this. So when you click on the salary is calculated, and then when click on the cancel, the values are taken into null. Okay, so it will become salary is 0. So like this we will calculate the salary. Okay, okay. So here calculate spelling is mistakenly typed. Okay, that's why I'm correcting here. Okay, it's saved now. Let's refresh this. So it's already refreshing. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So here this example is for getter and setter method. Okay, in this class here get city is taken as the method. Okay, and in this getter method will have a return type. Okay, here variable name is emp name, and then setter method will not have any return type. Here in this method inside the parameters are included, input parameters, my name, and the name is declared as the my name. Okay, let's take this example for get set method. So the class is created now. Oh sorry, the class name is here property demo 1. Okay, let's take this name and then create another class. Let's take the another class. So here property demo class, here for the parameter get set are not included. So like this, first name is taken, and then here get city method is taken, and then it will have a return type. So the value is included in the return parameter. Here same like this, in the get temp name is included in the return type, and then this is the setter method. So here for the set method, input parameters are included. So here string my name is taken and name is taken as the my name here inside the method. Okay, so let's take the page for this class. Okay, let's take this page. So here controller is taken as the property demo1, and then here in the form component id attribute is taken, and then it is linked to this command button. Okay, so let's save this. So here we'll give some name. So when we click on the refresh button, here name will be displayed. Okay, so like this it will work. So we'll move on to the next topic called accessing the objects in the VF page. Okay, so what is sObject? So both the standard and custom objects in Apex programming is referred as a sObject. Okay, Salesforce object, nothing but. So how to refer the sObjects in Apex? So object name and variable. Okay, so okay, here both standard and custom objects are referred as the sObjects. So how it will be referred? Example, like this, object name and then space separated, have to include the variable name. Okay, like this it will be referred. And then for custom objects, how it will be referred? Example, loan is the custom object, so _C and then space, we have to give the variable name. Okay, so here so how to access the objects in the VF page? There are three process, one after the other. So first we have to refer the sObjects in Apex. So it includes two process. So we have to initialize the variable of the sObject, or we can use the SOQL language. Okay, so we'll know about SOQL later. So next one is refer the fields of the object in Visual Force. So like this, object name dot field name, and then commit the changes into object. It is a database operation. Okay, so here it is referred like this. So how to refer the sObject in Apex? So sObject type comes under the reference data type. So all reference data types need a memory allocation with a new keyword. Okay, so every sObject can be referred as a class in Apex, so hence it requires the memory allocation. See here, account a dot name. Okay, so it is not the correct format to refer the sObject. So here it is the correct format, account a is equal to new account, and then we have to give the name for the name variable, so name field will give the value, and then for the industry field we'll give the value. Okay, so here it is displayed like this as a JSON format, it's comma separated. Okay, how to declare a case variable and assign values to status, subject, reason. See like this, case cs is equal to new case, and then cs dot subject, status, reason. So like this, lead is declared. Okay, see, lead ld is equal to new lead, and then last name, first name, email, company are declared. Okay, like this for custom objects also it's same. So the difference between the custom and standard object reference is it's only included double underscore c after the object name. Okay, let's take into this anonymous window test this. Okay, so here let's execute this. So when we click on debug only, the values will be displayed. See like this, in the JSON format it will be displayed, name, stage name, close date, and then amount are displayed. Okay, so this is the JSON format of displaying the data. So here opportunity op1 is equal to new opportunity, and the name, stage name, close date, amount are declared, so some values are given. Okay, and then here system.debug is used to display the values. So let's take the example. Okay, so for this let's take the example for this object. So here account is taken as the input parameter directly, so it is the sObject, so here it can be declared as input parameter. Okay, so inside the new account apex, here constructor block is taken, and then a is equal to new account it has declared. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's take the page for this. So here controller is taken as the new account apex, and then here command button is linked to this page block, and then re-render attribute is taken. Okay, here when we give the input field values, and then the result will be displayed in the another block. Okay, let's save this. Okay, see, the name, phone, annual revenue are displayed. Okay, so like this the sObject is used in the VF page. Okay, so when we click on the submit button, the action submit process is invoked. Okay, let's take the another example. For this sObject, so here account contact is taken as input parameters. So two objects are taken, and then inside the constructor block here new account new contact are declared. Okay, so next one is create account create contact. Two methods are taken and then result is displayed like this. Okay, you have created an account record and then you have created a contact record like this. The result will be displayed. So let's link this class to a page. So here first two command buttons are included, and then it is linked to the create account create contact action attribute, and then re-render attribute is also taken and then linked to this page block. Okay, and then next one here another page block section is taken for the account, and then another page block section is taken for the contact, and then input field and input text are taken. Let's save this page. So here let's create one account. So here it is displayed like this, name, industry. Okay, so next one is contact. Let's get to this. See, you have created a contact record as name. Okay, so here in the result, here we have declared only name and industry, so that's why name and industry are only displayed. So if you give 4 annual revenue in this result, so that both fields are also will be displayed. Okay, so like this the objects are taken in the VF page. Okay, so today we have covered some controller examples and then getSet method and then referring the sObjects in Apex. Okay, so today we learned about how to refer the sObjects in Apex. So how to create a sObject record, so we have also covered this. So in the next video we'll know more about this sObject in Apex. So today we covered how to create a record for sObject in Apex. Okay, we'll know more about how to insert the changes permanently in object through Apex, and then we'll know more about the how to insert the related records of sObjects in Apex. Okay, we'll see this in the next video, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.